Alright, we're going to be putting the 4G63T in the Eclipse today.
I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna do. Cause all these opinions and all these...
He 2K cleared them over the tractor paint using the Spray Max spray cans. And this has a really nice shine. Like, these are dry and everything. But yeah, it looks a lot better with the 2K clear over the tractor paint. So you can 2K clear over the tractor paint. Alright, we're going to be putting the 4G63T in the Eclipse today.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though yo, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13. Working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Alright, so we got the engine installed. Most of the intercooler piping is installed. We still have a little bit of connectors and stuff like that to get done. Unfortunately, he has to get to work and I gotta get home and eat. So we'll finish this project later. We will keep you updated on the progress of the Eclipse. so we got it running. As you can hear, it sounds absolutely beautiful. The downpipe's actually disconnected. Let me show you. As you can see, it's just disconnected. It has the full exhaust all the way back. It's just disconnected. We need to put some bolts in it. But yeah, we had a issue from the wiring here. It was disconnected, so it was acting like it wasn't getting any signal for the cam position sensor. So yeah, that was the whole issue. Put new plugs in it and everything. It still wouldn't start, but finally got it running. All he has to do is get the T-bolt clamps put on, and it'll be good to go. And then he's gonna throw the fenders back on, the hood and all that good stuff, and tidy up the engine bay and put the cover back on here. But yep, it's running. Figured I'd give you guys a video. You guys have wanted to see the progress on the Eclipse, so here it is. So yeah, it's back from the dead. The motor, this is the first time the motor's been in since he's owned it. It didn't have an engine when he got it. So this is like a huge, huge relief for him. We still have to do some stuff with the piping and get it up higher, but he's happy. So we're ready.
CV axles, I'll take off when you're running up.
Yeah, it doesn't have the CV axles in it, but we're just happy it's going. But he did some clear coat on the tractor paint that we did, and it actually turned out really good. He's gonna buff it tonight. He didn't do it on everything yet. He's still working on doing that, but we're more focused on getting the engine in. So yeah, now we're gonna clean up, get this thing back together, and there'll be another video after everything's together. But that's basically it for this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Eclipse getting its engine and starting up. So I'll see you guys in the next one for sure. He'll definitely have some pool videos of us going through the gears and whatnot. But he did some 2K clear on the headlights, wet sanded and buffed them using the video that I did. So as you can see, he did this with Spray Max 2K clear. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned and God bless.
Fight back.